Over 700 years ago, Kublai Khan conquered China and founded the Yuan Dynasty. The Mongolian Tartars were afraid of the rebellion of the Chinese people, so they took over all the cold weapons, including the kitchen knife. They regulated that 10 households share one kitchen knife, and after cooking, people had to return the knife to the Mongolians for safekeeping. So Chinese people invented shaved noodles with a metallic sheet. Weapons can be used for self-defense or rebellion and revolution, so possession of a gun is illegal in China. The US Constitution gives people the right to bear arms, but some people abuse their right to kill innocent people. Restriction versus freedom. Today in China, if you want to buy a kitchen knife, you have to bring your ID card. In the United States, you can buy a gun just like buying grocery. There's no mass shooting in China, but it doesn't mean absolutely safety. Crazy people weaponize a car to run over pedestrians, or carrying a knife and waiting outside the kindergarten to hurt the kids. So in China, when school is out, you will see hundreds of parents and grandparents are waiting outside the gate of the school or kindergarten. To be or not to be, this is a question. What do you think? Please feel free to leave a comment.